Imagine this. You walk out of your house, no phone in your pocket, no smartwatch on your wrist, and yet you can see your messages, reply to texts, get directions, listen to music, even live translate a conversation, all while wearing what looks like a regular pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Meta just dropped something that makes this real, and honestly, it might be the most futuristic thing you'll put on your face. These are the brand new Meta Ray-Ban display glasses, $799, and they don't just sit on your nose to block sunlight. They've got a display, they've got AI built in, and yes, people are already asking if they could replace your phone. Let's dive into why everyone's freaking out about them. At first glance, they look like classic Ray-Bans. Stylish, nothing weird sticking out, but hidden inside, a ton of tech. A display bright enough to see even in direct sunlight. Cameras that shoot sharper video than the last-gen models. 5 microphones, yes, 5 tucked inside the frame. Transition lenses that tint outside like sunglasses, then fade back indoors. And they didn't just squeeze in the basics, the battery runs along the arms, filling every millimeter. The whole thing weighs just 69 grams, only a touch heavier than normal Ray-Bans. Honestly, it's insane how comfortable they feel considering what's packed inside. Here's where things get wild. On the right lens, you get a floating window, like a mini screen only you can see. Text messages, right there. Navigation arrows, right there. Music controls, right there. And no, people around you can't tell. Even at full brightness, the projection is invisible from the outside. So your screen, 100% private. Okay, but how do you control all this? Meta cooked up something called the Neural Band, a wristband that reads tiny electrical impulses in your arm. That means you can pinch, flick, or swipe with barely any movement, and the glasses obey instantly. Double tap to wake the screen, pinch to scroll, twist your fingers to adjust volume. And the craziest part? You don't have to wave your hand around like a weirdo. You can do all of this casually, hand down at your side, and nobody even notices. It feels straight up sci-fi, but within an hour it becomes second nature. So what can these $799 glasses actually handle? Messaging. WhatsApp feels totally different on these. You can read full messages, open links, and even reply by whispering. The microphones are so good they catch every word. Writing. Can't talk, just scribble on your leg with your finger and it types it out. Yes, really. Captions and translation. Look at someone while they talk and subtitles appear in real time. Add translation and suddenly you're having a conversation across languages like it's nothing. Navigation. The arrow literally rotates with your head, so no more spinning in circles with Google Maps trying to figure out which way is north. Music. Spotify integration right on the display with speakers tucked into the frames. They sound way better than you'd expect. And yes, there's a camera. Photos and videos look decent. Think smartphone quality from about 8 years ago. Not amazing, but totally fine for social. Here's the thing, as futuristic as this feels, it's not ready to completely kill your phone. There's no real app store yet. Most features are tied into Meta's own apps like Meta Maps and Meta AI, and $799 is not exactly pocket change. But here's why people are hyped. This is the first time smart glasses don't feel like a gimmick. They're practical, they're stylish, and they actually make sense in everyday life. So, will Meta's Ray-Ban display glasses replace your phone tomorrow? Probably not, but for the first time, you can actually see how that future could work. And honestly, wearing these feels like you've just stepped a decade forward in time. Now the real question is, would you ditch your phone for a pair of glasses? Or is this still just a flashy toy for tech nerds? Drop your thoughts below. I'm curious to see if people are ready to put their entire digital life on their face. And hey, if you found this breakdown exciting, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe Technology XAI, because this is just the beginning. The future's not coming, it's already sitting on your nose.